Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really fun shadow box card for you. This is my Summer on the Beach shadow box card. How fun is that? You've got the surfboard and the umbrella there in the background. You have the flip-flops there in the middle, that fun cocktail in the front. You've got the waves and the clouds there floating throughout the card. It folds relatively flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. This card is really fun to put together and I cannot wait to show it to you. So take a look at the materials list and let's get started. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2024. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/SCP24. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Okay, now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to some of the score lines to do, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and first start with the envelope. Click on this icon right here to drop down the layers. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. Now a few of these inside pieces are going to have score lines as well, so let's go ahead and convert those. Alright, so altogether we have converted the score lines for the envelope, the card base, and then the 3 inside tab pieces. Once those are converted, go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to work on our card base. So first, let's go ahead and fold and burnish along all the score lines. Alright, now that we have that done, go ahead and flip the card over. We're going to place the white square behind the card base. So let's go ahead and attach that. Alright, there we go. We have our card base all set. We're going to set that to the side for a minute. Let's mat and layer our messaging panel. And I will set that to the side for just a minute. Now we can go ahead and start to layer all of the inside tab pieces. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all of these together. Before I layer it, I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish the tabs on the tab piece. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and layer. I'm going to do that for all 3 sections, and I will show you what they look like when I'm all done. Okay, you can see that I have all 3 sections done. We have the yellow section that's going to be the back, the red section that's going to be the middle, and then the green and beige section that's going to be the front. So let's go ahead and start to assemble everything together. I'm going to grab my card base and then the yellow inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab. And I'm going to place it here on the left-hand side. Making sure to line up the edges. Now I'm going to fold everything to the left and add the red piece. Right next to the yellow piece. And now I'm going to attach the left side of the green piece. I'm going to add glue to all of these tabs here on the right. And I'm going to make sure that everything is all nice and lined up. And then I'm just going to fold the card base down. Give it a good press. Give the card a fold back and forth. And now we have all of our sections inside. Okay, let's go ahead and fold everything to the left. I'm going to add glue to this left tab here. Take that front cover panel piece and place that on that tab. And now add glue to this right tab. And just go ahead and fold the card over to attach that in place. And there we have our card. I'm going to flip it over so that we can attach the messaging panel to the back. Alright, I'm going to set the card to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and assemble the envelope now. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Now, since there's so many layers to this card, I would recommend we place it inside while we're building the envelope. Go ahead and bring the side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. And with your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our shadow box card is all set. How fun is this card? I love all the different dimensions that shadow box cards create. It's such a fun card to gift, and really it would be great to have for summer decor. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through email or through our Facebook group, I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye-bye.